How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus rear shroud. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Note the location of the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Pull the shroud toward you to detach it, then rest it upside down on the floor behind the chair. Cut the zip tie that secures the 2 cables to the center post, then disconnect the 2 connectors. Remove the shroud from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new shroud upside down behind the chair, then connect the 2 connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair. Use a new zip tie to secure the 2 cables to the center post, near the connectors. Cut the excess zip tie. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.